So I'm going to show you how to open an oyster. Let's maybe try this one. I will wrap my hand in a towel, not to injure myself. Right, and then let's hold the oyster like this. Obviously I would do it facing myself, but for the purpose of the video I want you to see it, so here it is. So I will try and enter around here, and you know, if you're in or out, you will start seeing water coming out of there when you're in, basically. And around this level there is the foot of the shellfish, so when you're in, you want to go through inside and then cut the foot so that the shell can open, the top shell can open. Okay, so let's try and go in like this. Okay, I'm in. And you will want to push all the way. Foot is cut. Now remove the towel to show you really, but you will want to run the water. There is some seawater in the shell, so you really want to run the water out from the entry point so that the shell that you broke will be removed when you open it. So as I pull it out, oops, you will want to run the water out. Okay, so this is how it looks, and I will then now scrape the rest of the shell from the foot. Sorry, the rest of the oyster from the foot, and now basically back in there. So you can present the oyster like this with a minimum amount of broken shell in there when you introduce them to your guests. A way to eat oysters would be to use lemon. That's what I use generally. And then you just put a bit of lemon in there. Right? And they're ready to eat. Thank you for watching.